You've done it twice in 3 years. Terrific stuff. Very emotional moments, yes. Mind the fingernails. Very great moments, these. It all pours out of you. Very emotional fella, Ken.
He is, yes, and he's managed to hold on to that all the way around.
Now the family come on, I'm sure they're not too far away.
Mama Bubba and Baby Bubba.
Oh, Baby Bubba, yeah. There's Daddy. You're a clever old dad. He wonders what on earth's going on. Well done, sweetie. Well done, well done. Paul, what do you think of that?
Just makes me want to cry, actually watching it.